Guys, this coin right here, FUNToken. Look the position, the rank, 363. We just made 100% profit on this coin right here. I made $10,000. Pay attention to this. My soft picked this move right here. No, on December 9, the volume of this coin was 2.4 million. The volume spiked to $11 million. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 12, almost December 12. We bought this coin for 0.005 and put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 0.01. 105%. I made $10,000. Guys, all those trades I share in the private list. By email, I share Arts, FUNToken, Propy, IguVerse, and BENQI. We surf the wave up. Guys, you gotta remember, trade it's a fight between buyers versus sellers. When I share my trades in the private list, what I'm doing is I'm increasing the buyer side. So that means sellers cannot compete with the buyers. That's the reason we buy here and sell up here, because there is no sellers to short our sell. Okay, let me give you another example here. IguVerse, guys, IguVerse, right there. Let's go to take a look this bizarre volume spike. Bizarre. On November, December 4, the volume of this coin was 1.7 million. Volume pumped to $25 million. Okay? IguVerse. Same exactly strategy, guys. So I shared this trade in the private list. There's the volume spike right here. We bought this coin right here on December 11. We paid for this coin 0.05 cents and a half and put a sell order up here at 11 cents. 101%. I made $10,000 in single trade. That's what I do. I share all my trades in the private list to increase the buyer power. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% per week, guys. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Give me a like this video, share, and remember, let's trade together, because together we are strong, guys. My software right now is tracking 3,000 coins, okay? Pay attention to all those trades I share in the private list. Take a look at this. Insane returns, guys. I just made $43,000. You can make the same profit I do, because all you gotta do is to copy my trades. You copy my trades here, you all make together. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.